Right, after the UN condemned North Korea's December rocket launch and Pyongyang reacted with a vow to boost its nuclear capabilities, we asked Yukiya Amano, head of the UN nuclear watchdog, whether he was concerned that North Korea will now carry out a third nuclear test.
We are not directly following the missile issues or nuclear explosion test issues, but if these things happen, it negatively affects the atmosphere. We are following the nuclear activities of North Korea, and we have observed the construction of light water reactors, or we have the report that enrichment activities are ongoing. That is deeply troubling for us.
So you're saying that if there is a chance this third test goes ahead, it could be one using enriched uranium instead of plutonium?
That we don't know, because we don't have the inspector on the ground since April 2009. So our knowledge is rather limited now. We want to send back our inspectors as quickly as possible.
When will inspectors get back?
We don't know yet. It depends on the political situation.
Okay, let's move on to Israel, the election result. The result itself, a slightly enfeebled Netanyahu. Does this, for you, increase or decrease the likelihood of an Israel attack on Iran?
The objective of the IAEA is to solve these Iran nuclear issues through diplomatic means. And I understand that everyone believes that diplomatic solution is the best one.
But that has not worked so far?
Not yet. But we continue to intensify dialogue with Iran.
Do you see any reason for optimism for the February 13th meeting?
I don't say we are optimistic, but everyone agrees that diplomatic solution is the best one. And Iran has a keen interest in solving this issue in diplomatic means. So I hope that we can reach agreement as quickly as possible and implement it immediately.
And as quickly as possible and as peacefully as possible?
Yes.
Do you see a danger of war?
Our function is not to provide a military outlook. We are concentrating on solving this issue through diplomatic means.
How difficult is negotiation with the Iranian government?
There are back and forth, and we need to cover various aspects. This is a complicated negotiation, but we have discussed all the necessary elements, and we hope that we can reach agreement.
I'm jumping around a bit.
Yes.
I want to move on to Syria. Nuclear experts say they believe Syria may have tons of natural uranium in secret locations. Does it?
What we have from the information from open source is that they have yellow cake. We have concluded in 2011 that the facility which was destroyed was in reality was very likely to be a nuclear reactor. We have also interest in other facilities functionally related. But because of the situation in Syria, the progress has not been made.
The head of the UN's nuclear watchdog.